What's up, guys? It's your girl Jada, and today, guess what we got? Just take a guess. Ways to come. Are we gonna eat this, Daddy? Which one mine? I have my Stanley cup, but it's just something about, the ways it came. It's just, good. So, let me just, let me eat this. It's just look like regular raisin candy. Nothing new, actually, nothing new. But it's really good, so I just still eat it. It's really amazing. That's a bit dry. It tastes like hand in the size of soap. It tastes like soap or hand in the size of the bread. Oh, I just drink lemonade. Anyways. It is literally so good. I tried Zaxby's and I tried their chicken tenders and their sauce. It tastes just like Raisin Cane. Like, try to copy Raisin Cane. Anyways, but here you go. There you go. Ooh! Jesus. And there you go. My mom and my daddy talk about cake.
What you want?
So good.